In this video, we're going to learn how to change the language code for individual tags within a PDF that has more than one language. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. This document has both English and Spanish in it, and I would actually classify it more as an English document. So in my document properties, under Advanced, our language is set to English. This means that any language that is not English needs to be tagged as the appropriate language in this file. So I need to find any Spanish inside of this document, and I have a couple of tags in the header. I can right-click the P tag, select Properties, and down at the bottom, the language is set to ES-MX, and this is for Mexico Spanish versus a different type of Spanish. But ultimately, we just need to validate that that tag is set. Now, if we had a different language code or a different language, we would need to pick the appropriate one, like German, or there's a variety of other ones built into Acrobat. But if the language is not listed here, you need to search for the ISO code for that language for PDF, and you enter that inside this language area. So let's just say it was set to the wrong language. I would just come in and type capital letters ES and select close. And then we have to do that for every one of the tags that is not the default language. So in this example, we have another Spanish section. We're going to right-click the P tag, select Properties, and this is where we want to ensure that we see ES or ES-MX if we know that it is Mexico Spanish, and select Close. And that is how you update the language of an individual tag within your PDF. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.